Ultra 3rd generation into your iPhone, first of all, you will have to turn on this device by holding the Crown Control button, and now click on this information icon to select a language. Now click to set language to English on your Apple Watch, and you have to choose region, select your region. Now Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation will reboot. You have to wait until it will be turned on back. And right now on your iPhone, open settings, then scroll down into the Bluetooth, and just make sure that you have turned them on. Right now put your Apple Watch close to your iPhone, and you have to search for watch application. So go for the search, input watch phrase, click on it once, and select start pairing. Now click to set up for myself, and now it start searching, so we have to wait a little bit and be patient. As you can see, now we got this automatic connection, so we have to follow the on-screen instructions. We have to scan screen of our Apple Watch by using that frame. So just go over it like so, try to align with the frame and hold it until you will get this green lines, which means that we successfully did it. Now our Apple Watch is paired, so we have to click to set up Apple Watch on the right bottom corner. And now as you can see, all you have to do is just to simply go through all of those steps one by one. So the wrist preference, left or the right one. Okay, now we have to just accept terms and the conditions by clicking on agree button. I will recommend you to select don't share. And now we have to create a passcode, or you don't have to, but I'm gonna recommend you to do that right now. Now we have to grab your Apple Watch and simply just input passcode that you want to use. It's too easy, but I want to use it. I'm gonna use it anyway. And now re-enter your passcode and wait for another screen. Now as you can see, we will have to select bold text and size. We can also do this later in the settings. If you want to quickly start with your Apple Watch, you can just click here, but let's go through all of these steps. So here, when you are moving the slider, you can see the difference on your iPhone. Well, in my case, I'm gonna go with the highest possible font size. Let's click continue. Now we got accessibility settings, so we can reduce transparency to improve contrast. Let's stay with this option, click continue. And here we have to click OK. And now our base information, so we can change it up to your preferences by clicking and changing date. And now click continue. If you are going to use this device for workouts, I will recommend you to enable road tracking. And here we can set up sleep stages. Let's select setup schedule. We have to select our sleep goal. Click to confirm schedule. And now we can also get some notifications about noise, low heart rate, high heart rate. I'm gonna enable everything, then click continue. Here we can find some safety information. There's the emergency SOS call, fall detection during workouts, car crash detection, siren, backtrack, emergency SOS via satellite. Let's click continue. And now we are able to set up mobile network settings. There's an option for one-handed gestures, wrist flick, and double tap, which looks like that. There's short animation how we can use it. Let's click continue, and now we are able to set up the action button. So now the action button is located on the left side. We can actually link some functions. We can start workouts, we can add stopwatch, whatever you want. In my case, I would like to quickly turn on and off the torch, and I'm gonna set up that option. Click continue. We got also option for the depth application, so it will actually open automatically under the water. Next, click continue and just wait for a few moments for another screen. Now we are able to set up Apple Pay, but in my case, I'm not gonna do this. I'm not using Apple Pay on my Apple Watches, so I'm gonna select setup later. But if you do, you can just follow on-screen instructions. And as you can see right now, we have to wait for synchronization process. Okay, and as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's pretty much it for this video.